Here we have Terra Luna, symbol LUNA versus the dollar. We're going to be looking at higher term time frames. Actually, we're just going to do a general overview on this one because it's one of the more interesting charts. Closed on new ultimate highs for the monthly, very, very powerful, and I would be expecting new ultimate highs in Q1 of 2022. The question is it going to very likely happen sooner rather than later? If we go over here to the weekly, bullish on this one as well. Still bullish on this one. 5-day bullish as well. Now we could very easily have corrections back down to the 80 or so dollar region. I don't think that that's asking for too much, to be fair. If we go over here to the daily, however, that is not very likely. In fact, we've held once again on our 81 level. Kind of fucking crazy, man. That is a very, very aggressive correction, but hey, we do have a good setup right here. We have higher lows coming on, declining volatility. And well, it's moving certainly across your 4-hour time frame range highs. So I know you didn't ask about this, but I do think that it's rather interesting right here. Anyways, your next sort of short-term area to be aware of would be about 92.85 above there on a 4-hour closure. I do look for this one to retest into your $98, $99 highs from before. And I remain bullish on this one more aggressively, actually, and probably looking for this one to print new highs sooner rather than later. I guess it sounds kind of crazy, but as long as we're above about $81 base, below $81 base, I'm actually still bullish on it long term. I'm just looking for corrections down to about $70 or so, and then come back to it after that. Until then, I mean, this one's trending on all time frames. I mean, even the fucking 4-hour strong right here. 4-hour, very, very low BBWP. All momentum also is pointed northwards. Dare I say this one probably does push on through, man. Powerful chart, among the best. Let's go over here and just see if momentum oscillators are on the same side. Again, they can kind of help with being a little bit more aggressive or not. 12 hours going to be up as long as above 84, basically $85, which are currently more than like $5-6 above as of the current moment. So good. Daily will also turn up above about 94 and simultaneously play out a trend line test right. Oh, I guess I already have it in there. I'll play a trend line test right here. So I would keep that number in mind, $94 on a daily. 5-day, I'm guessing we're still vertical. Yep, pretty much 75, looking good right there. Weekly also up above 88, 82 freshly, by the way, might I add. So all of this is aligning with, you know, another drive towards new highs. I'd still be looking for even a short-term time frame resolution. And then, yes, I'm looking for a move somewhere right around about $100 again. I imagine you see short-term time frames pull back, and then longer term, you know, let's say maybe around end of January, early February, perhaps. Probably looking for that move up towards about 120 to $130. Again, invalidation on your daily and higher term timeframes is going to be short term below $81 on a daily closure. Again, that doesn't necessarily destroy this one. Like as far as a bullish setup long term, I would just be looking for corrections down to $70 after that, $70 after that. Until then, I'm pretty much bullish on all time frames. The question is, do we bust on through right here, right now, or does it take a little bit more of a time with maybe one more higher low at about $84? I don't have a strong opinion on that. My strong opinion is on the long-term time frames here, of which all of them are bullish, sir. Hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for Terra Luna, my friend.